Now that the PayPal WPS is enabled and configured to send us money, we're going to just show you really quick how that works for an order process. So we'll go back to our order we've been using in previous videos. And here you'll see right at the bottom, we now have two payment options available. We have the PayPal, and we still have that example one, and we could disable that one if we wanted. But we're going to select PayPal. And how PayPal works is it's going to redirect you right directly to the paypal.com site. And it kind of gives you like a warning here that says, we're going to do that. So once this runs, it's going to redirect to PayPal.
And one thing to keep in mind is that's the major difference between the Website Payments Standard and Website Payments Pro options when you're creating your business PayPal account. If you wanted to accept credit cards through PayPal directly on your site, then you would want to go ahead and use the Website Payments Pro, but that would of course incur a monthly cost. We're not actually going to go through this and sign into our account and go through the payment. Even though it is in the sandbox mode, it wouldn't charge you. But essentially what you do is you'd log in, and you've probably done this before if you've ever used PayPal, and it would allow you then and redirect back and show you that your order has been completed. And we may go through that in a future section when we're actually getting close to launching the site. But for now, just know that you can test that on your own. It should work. It's not actually going to charge you anything because it's in sandbox mode.
So you're going to run across a problem too where maybe PayPal isn't the perfect option for you, or you want to use a different payment method. And the great thing about Drupal is it's going to be pretty accepting of almost any payment method. So if we just did a quick Google search and just said Drupal Stripe, which is a very popular and up-and-coming payment option, you'll notice that there is a module that does that. And we're going to show you how to install modules and everything later on, but know that there is that available.
And you could search for pretty much anything that you know is kind of one of those online payment methods, and it should have a Drupal Commerce related payment method. You have to make sure it is a commerce method because you're using Drupal Commerce on your site. There may be other ones for other types of e-commerce solutions with Drupal, but you want to make sure it's the Drupal Commerce payment method, and you'd simply be able to install that and turn it on just like we turned on the PayPal WPS module.
Yep. And the one last thing here is everyone does have its unique configuration, so just know that there's ample information available on these pages to show you how to install and configure different payment methods.